Harmonji Premji Samshedji Manekshaw, or Sam Manekshaw as he is better known, was born in Amritsar on 3 April 1914. Even as a child, he displayed his ambition to join the army. Out from Sherwood College, after completing his class 9, Manekshaw appeared for the Army entrance examination in 1932. There were 1,200 applicants along with him for 15 vacancies. He was not sure if he would make it. However, he was successful in 1934. He passed out from the Indian Army at Dehradun. Manekshaw took part in World War II. He was defending Burma against the Japanese attack. History has recorded some of his memorable experience. One day, as he moved forward with his men against the Japanese army, he got shot by a Japanese soldier, which seriously wounded him. Major General David Cohn through that Manekshaw should lose his life, and he immediately pinned his own military cross ribbon on Manekshaw, saying, "A dead person cannot be awarded a military cross." This incident showed Manekshaw had the unique distinction of having got honored for his bravery on the battlefront itself. To everyone's surprise, Manekshaw soon recovered from his injury, not the rest, but to take more active part in challenging battles and to go shoulder responsible assignment. In all this, Manekshaw was highly successful and victorious. Manekshaw was very cordial with his fellow soldiers. He was so warm and kind-hearted that the warriors in the Gura regiment would compose and sing songs in praise of his humanness. His superior to had an appreciation for his service and sense of duty, devotion and commitment. General Sir Roy Butcher and the British Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army described Manekshaw as the very best staff officer he ever had. In June 1969, he succeeded General as the 8th Chief of the Army Staff. As a commander, he served the nation with dedication, and within 2 years of his promotion to this highest rank, he had to lead the Indian Army to confront the designs of the neighboring Pakistan in 1971. The entire nation stood united to salute its illustration and brave children. In recognition of his service to the nation, he was conferred with a lot of titles, honors, and was awarded many medals. This includes Padma Vibhushan in 1972 and the title Field Marshal in 1973. Retiring from service in 1973, Manekshaw settled in a Koinur. He contributed to the nation continued till his death in June 2008 at the military hospital in Tamil Nadu. A man known for his distinguished service